Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make a mini map like this in Unreal Engine.
Please subscribe my channel and see the documentation. I have a few website. Your contribution will help me to make more tutorial.
I just create a default third person template. You can use your own project or you can use any other project. Just create a folder. I create a folder named map. Then inside that folder I create another folder. I name it material, and another folder I name it texture. So I have some texture. You will find the link in description. So these are the image. Just import it and save it. We are done with texture. So we need to create a 2D view. So for that I create a scene capture 2D. I place it in the level, and I made the rotation on y-axis -90, and from right button and target texture I am creating a target texture. I name it map. By selecting scene capture 2D, place it in here, and projection type will be orthographic, and I just increase the map size like 1024, and my value will be 7000. So just export the map. I name it map 4. You can name whatever you want. So in Photoshop, just open the map and it will show like this, and from the image mode just select 8-bit. You can modify more if you want, but I don't want to modify anything. I just export it and png, and what can I name it, like minimap. Let's go with minimap. Now on project, just import it. Not it is not a normal map. Just save it. So our 2D map is we got our 2D map, so we can use it in further. So I just want go to the material folder. I create a material, right button material. I name it m map material. You can name whatever you want. So from that, create a material instance. We will need the material instance later, but I just want to create it now. So let's open the map material. So inside in here I just want to material domain user interface, and blend mode will be translucent, so it will look like this. So I'm gonna add a few function in the material. So let's just save it. uh, Now from user interface, I am just creating a widget blueprint. I name it WBP gameplay. We need a few widget. Now duplicate it, and it will be WBP minimap, and another I need another one, control D, and it will be player. So for now this three I am creating. Now save all. Now we can start our work. So first of all, I think I will go with the I just add the functionalities in map material. First of all, I need a texture coordinate. Right button, texture coordinate. That's what we want. Now as mouse left button, I am creating a scalar. I name it zoom. I am creating another one, control C, control V, and I will name it math zoom. Both of them, we need both of that. So we need add some value on here, default value, a slider min and slider maths. So what value can we can I add in here? Let's see. So let's just add zero point 0.5 on zoom, and It's maths zoom, not map zoom, and 1 on the maths zoom, and maths will be 2, and here maths will be 2 also. Let's make it in upper, and from here add a clamp and add the maths zoom in maths, and the mean will be 0.05. And now add a multiplier, M mouse left button, add it in the texture coordinate, add a divider, D mouse left button, add the clamp with B multiply, and add it in A divider. Now add it with the multiplier, and from here just add a subtract, add it with B, and A value will be 0.5. Now add a function, A mouse left button, add 2 of the function, and add the subtract value to both of their A, and from the first add a append function, and from add to add it in B, and from append add it in B. We need few more function. We need 3 more scalar, x, y, and level dimension. So as mouse left button, make it y, Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. It will be x, and this one will be level dimension. And the value, we know what value is given scene capture 2D, that is 7000. Just delete the scene capture 2D, we don't need the scene capture now. Compile and save. Add 2 divide, D mouse left button, add it with YA and XA, and add it in B and here. Now add a multiply, add here -1, and add here, add it in here, make it little upper so it look like nice. Good. Now we have a, I think we add everything, and in zoom the slider mean will be 0.25. I think it is best. Now we think I should add a clamp. Let's add a value in clamp, and min add 0.05. Now add a parameter to the texture. The image, the 2D map we created should be inserted in here. So this is our picture. Select it and edit. Good. We add our picture. So our instance already all created, that's why I created it earlier. So but we can change the picture and the value from here. Oh, it doesn't need to go to the material and change and compile in there. We can instead change in here. Just add the value you want in here, select it, add the value, compile and save all. Now we have to add functions in widget blueprint we created. We'll do that. So first of all, I think I should I should go with the WBP player. That's right. It is nice. Now from the palette, add a canvas panel. Drag in the player. Now I just add canvas panel, and the size will be desired. So it will make it small, but don't worry, it will be fit soon. Now from palette I add a overlay, and from here I add a image. It will be inside overlay. Make another image, and thrower, add a thrower, so it will look like mix up. So the overlay, I name it main overlay, and I add the function 8787 on size xy, so it look like a square. You can add your value, but I think this is good. So the image will be player view, this one. uh, this one will be player icon, and this will be player thrower, player thrower. Good, very good. Now from player view, horizontal alignment and vertical alignment should be in the middle. It will come in the middle. So add t pawn, size, it will be not t pawn, it will be t view, because it will show the player view angle. And tint should be 0.5, so it will look more nicer. Player icon, it will also be in the middle, the alignment, horizontal alignment and vertical alignment, and the image will be t pawn because it is a pawn. The size will be 24, and let's make it a little bit pinkish. Nice. And player thrower should be in the middle also. Number of pieces will be 1. Animate horizontally and vertically will be disabled, and the image will be pawn, size is 24. Compile and save. Now go to the graph, add a variable, select color. Actually it will be color, and the variable tile will be select color, tint color, SLATCOLER. It will be instance editable and expose on spawn. Now I add some function in p construct and construct. So player icon, get it, set a brush tint color, add it here, p construct and construct, and you guess it, the variable will be tint color. Now in event it, player icon, set render translation, set render transform angle, edit here, copy it, paste it, edit here, and it will be player thrower also. Add it, and this one will be player view. Now add get owner player pawn, and from here get actor rotation, get color control rotation, make it little bit organized, split the pin only that axis because it will show from the above. So I think we're done in here. Let's compile and save. Now let's go inside WBP minimap. From here add a canvas panel. Full screen will be desired just like previously. Now I will add a border. Then I will add a overlay. Image, it will be under overlay. Overlay, it will be under overlay. And the player which we created earlier, it will be added in overlay also. The border name, I will name it frame. The image will be map image. POI overlay, we will use it later. Map image will be hide. So the frame, I am making it 250 and 250. It will look like bigger. Pattern will be 0. And brush size 1024. And the tint will be, let's make it invisible 000. Here let's make 0 also, so it will show nothing. Overlay, name it overlay, I name it 2, so it rename perfectly. It will be a variable, pattern will be 0. The map image, it will be full, both horizontal alignment and vertical alignment. And the clip to bounce. We are done in here. Now on POI overlay, it will be variable also. Ticket, it will be full, both horizontal alignment and vertical alignment. And the player, it will be in middle. And I just want to change the color. Let's make it yellow. Copy. So we are done in here. Now add a few functions, compile and save. Now make it organize. The category, I want to add it in components and add all of this in components category. I am making it because it looks like more organized. I'll create a variable. Let's name it map material. It will be material dynamic instance editable. It will be components also. Now I also add few variables. So first of all, I name it minimap zoom, float, level dimension, and it will be max zoom, so we need also a few more variable, but compile and save it. The minimap zoom value, default value is 0.25. Level dimension, you all know it, it's 7000. And max zoom, we should add a few slider range is 0.25, value range 0.25, and maximum is 2. Instance editable spawn, both will be instance editable, and expose on spawn. Compile, save. Now I want to organize it also. Let's make the category is zoom, 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 and place everything in here. So now look like more decent. Now I have to add a variable also. I name it player, and it will be reference, character reference. Character reference. The category I am making, the category is like reference. Compile and save. Now I have to add a few functions in here. Add a function, I name it update map material. It will be private, and the category also will be private. Now get the player variable. Get actor location, split it. Add the map material. From here, set is scalar parameter value. Parameter value will be x. Add x in here. Copy this, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. This parameter name will be y. Add it here. Make it more organized like this. Compile and save. Add the x and y like this. Now in event construct and event it. In event construct, I will add reference. Right button, get y in player. From here, get controlled pawn. From here, cast to character. Make it pure. And from here, I will add our reference. If we did not add the reference in here, we cannot get anything from the reference. So player, edit. It's done. Now in event it, right is valid. add the player in here. Now add the player is the condition, is if it's valid then update map material. So now in event pre constant we should have add a few functions. Create a dynamic material instance, and the material instance will be added in here, and the map material will be set in here. Get the reference in here. Now from map image, set a brush from material, add it in here, add the map material in here. Now get the map material again. We should have add a few function with this variable, and from here add a set scalar parameter value. It will be copy paste four time to done. Control this to Control C, Control V, edit. Now the parameter name will be map texture, and we should match the name with our map material instance. So in here it will be level dimension. We already created the variable in minimap. Set scalar parameter value will be max zoom, and this one will be zoom. It will reduce our work. So add minimap zoom in here, max zoom in here, max zoom with max zoom, level dimension with level dimension. Add the level dimension in here. Basically we need these three more often, so it is useful. So map texture will be added in the material. So this is the scalar we use in also material. It's very helpful. So change the param 2D name to the texture name. Now I just want to go to the game player, add canvas. I'm adding it because I want to show the reference. It is the best way to show it. So size it contract the map material, and the position at soil will be 2020. Now from level blueprint, event begin play, create widget, add our minimap gameplay widget, add to viewport. We are done here. Compile and save. Now F11, make it bigger, Alt or P. Now play it and test it. It is not working because some mistakes are done earlier. So minimap zoom, its slide range and value range will be 0000. Compile and save. And this value will add it in max zoom, which is 0.2525, and the max is 22. So the value will be this 0.5. We are done everything. Now play it, and now we can see our decent map. When our player moving, the also minimap icon is moving, and we can also change the image view. You can see this is working perfectly. So we are good with this tutorial. I'm done. So hope to see you in next tutorial. Until then, please subscribe my channel if you want to show more tutorial like this. Bye bye.